Hello everyone. Now I'm going to share data from data loader to our Salesforce org. So firstly we need a CSV file. Here is the CSV file where is data and this is the data. Now I am going to insert this data to our Salesforce org from data loader. So this is the date for date. This date is not in proper format, so we need to convert this date in a proper format. So firstly we have to select the sales, and now we have to right click, and here is format sales, and inside the formal sales here is day, and we can select the uh, proper format. So this is our proper format. Now I am already select this proper format, and now I'm going to save this CSV file. After this, we need to log in with our data loader. So this is the data loader. And now I am going to insert. So after clicking of insert, here is username and password. We have to log in with our username and password. And simply we have to click login. After some time, we can see this is login successful. So this is login successful. Now we have to click next. So here is the objects where we can choose any objects where data will go. So I am object, um, and here is the CSV file where we can choose the CSV file. So we have to browse, and we have to choose CSV file from our uh, location. So this is the CSV file, and now I am selecting this file, open, and simply click next. So in this CSV file, we have 28 records. So this is showing your operation will contain for 28 records. Uh, and now here is the file header, uh, which is we can see this file header in our Excel sheet. So we have to map this header with our context fields. So we can create or edit map, and here we can map this header with Salesforce fields. So this is the date, and now I am mapping this date with context field. So simply we have to select this. We have to select these fields, and simply we have to drag and leave in front of this date. Same as we have to do for first, last, note, phone number, titles. So this is the last name, and this is the first name. So now I have already mapped these fields with the column header. Now we can save this map for the future use, but now I am going to click OK, and this is the fields and this is the column header. So it is already field or already mapped. So we have to simple click next, and here is the directory. Here is we can say here is a folder where we can store our success and error files, and simply we have to click yes. So we can see there is 28 records is successful and 0 errors. If there is any error, so we can see what is the error in view errors and what is the success in view success. In view success, we can see these records who is success, and in errors we can see errors record. I mean to say which is fail uh, to transactions. Now this is successful. So to check, we have to go our Salesforce org, and we check we check uh, these records are there or not. So now I'm going to our Salesforce org. This is my Salesforce org, and I am checking context. Firstly, we need to refresh it, and now the name is Deb. What is Debra? So I'm checking this record with Debra. So this is first name is Debra and last name Kahukle. So here is the Debra Kahukle. That means uh, these records are all inserted in Salesforce. Thank you.